Grab your pizza pan. Place your sugar cookie dough right on top of your pizza pan. You can do homemade cookie dough. I'm using the Pillsbury because it's my favorite. We're gonna use the whole log. Okay, once it's all on there, you're just gonna start smushing that cookie dough together. All right, once it looks like this, we're gonna pop it in the oven and cook it for the instructions on the wrapper.
Cool.
Now while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a glass bowl and some vanilla Jell-O. We're gonna use about half of this packet. Perfect. Grab some milk. I'm using 2%, but you can use whatever you prefer. Just a splash in there, just like that.
Smells so good.
Right? And then the best ingredient, Cool Whip.
Cool Whip, my favorite.
And this is already thawed out. You need it to be thawed or else this is gonna be really hard to mix.
Cool Whip's a hot commodity.
Yeah.
It's always out when we go to the store.
I know, especially around the holidays. Okay, we're gonna use this whole container of Cool Whip.
Awesome.
All right, and then just give this a nice whisk. Once it looks like this, it is perfect and ready for our cookie. All right, it's perfect. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small glass bowl, and we're gonna do this while it's still hot and put this right in the middle, just like this.
Ooh.
Kind of use it as a cookie cutter. Ooh. Your knife, make sure it really cuts that cookie. Okay. All right, so we removed that circle that we cut out, and now we're gonna let it cool for about 5 minutes. Now that it's cooled down, we're gonna grab that custard that we made, and we're just gonna do a nice layer right on top of that cookie. Now you might be wondering why we made a hole in this, and you're gonna see why in just a moment.
I'm a little curious, but it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be so delicious, and it's really gonna be beautiful too.
Even and smooth.
And satisfying. Okay, that looks great. Now, look at all this we have.
Oh, dang, that's the good stuff.
Right? So we're just gonna sprinkle in our fruit. What we're making here is a sugar cookie wreath.
Oh, what?
Yes.
A wreath?
Yes.
Out of
Just in
sugar cookie?
time for the holidays.
It's amazing.
So we have our beautiful red and green fruits that are just gonna make this so great. Now to make this extra beautiful, I have some cranberries. Just really fill in those small parts that the other fruit didn't fill in, just like that, because we want this to be a full wreath. Now grab our little mints and just kind of put it sporadically. Everything is very sporadic and to your liking.
This is gonna look. This is so like hyper visual that people are gonna walk in, see this, and be like, "Whoa!
Yeah.
What is that?"
It's gonna be a show-stopping dessert at your holiday party. I just got these cute little characters that we can just put right on top of the fruit. Isn't that fun?
Are those like candied?
Yes, they're edible.
Nice. Oh, look how cute this is.
Isn't it cute? Okay, and there you go. That is our beautiful sugar cookie wreath. Look how fun and easy that was. Literally so quick and so beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut a slice. All right, got our beautiful slice out. Look how perfectly it cut.
Whoa.
That's because I greased the pan.
Pam is important.
All right, let's get a bite with the custard and the fruit and the sugar cookie.
Delicious.
You guys got to try this.